In this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode so you never miss important calls or messages. This is a quick and simple process that takes just a few taps in your settings. First, locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down through the Settings menu and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Look for Haptics option and tap on it. Here you'll see options like Always Play and Play in Silent Mode. Select Play in Silent Mode to ensure your phone vibrates even when the silent switch is on. Tap the back button to return to the main settings menu. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll through your apps and select Phone from the list. Tap on Sounds in the phone notification settings. At the top of the screen, you'll see Haptics. Tap on it to access the vibration patterns. Select the haptic feedback pattern you prefer. This will be the vibration pattern that plays when you receive calls or messages, even when your phone is in silent mode. And that's it. Your iPhone will now vibrate for calls and messages, even when in silent mode.